Hi there, so my name's Max, and today I'm going to show you an experiment that we've been looking at for Science Week. So what I'm going to use is a bottle of water. Now I put some food colouring in there just so you can see it a bit more clearly on the camera. So I've got my bottle of water and a measuring jug. Now with the children we have been asking questions and finding things out for ourselves. We're being scientists. So the first thing I've been asking the children is, how long do they think it will take for the water to come out of the bottle? So we had a few guesses, we estimated, and then we tried timing it. So let's try timing it together. Are you ready? Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 seconds, okay. So 5 seconds for the water to come out of the bottle. Now, we've started to try and change some of our parameters. We're changing some of the things that we've been using in our experiment. So I've tried using no lid. What if I tried using a lid? Let's try that. Okay. Will that take a longer time to come out? Or will it be quicker? Let's find out. Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, no, it's just not coming out. Maybe we could try a lid with a teeny tiny hole in it. You might not be able to see there, but this lid has got a teeny tiny hole in it. We can give that a go. Right, let's try counting that. Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, no, that's not coming out. Now, some children did tell me there was something I could do. I could give it a squeeze. If I squeeze, I'm applying some pressure. And I'm going to squeeze that water out, but I'm going to give it a really hard squeeze, and there is water coming out. It's coming out very fast, but there's still lots of water in there. Oh, that's going to take forever. I don't think I've got time for that. Okay, so even though I was squeezing and I was applying that pressure, only that amount of water came out, not much. Okay, maybe I could try something else. I know, maybe I could try a different type of bottle. So I've got a bottle with a wider mouth, that might help. So I've got this bottle here that's got a wider mouth, just like the mouth you've got here. So I'm going to pour my water in. Remember, it's the same amount of water, so it shouldn't change anything but the width of the mouth. What do we think? Is that going to take longer for my bottle to empty? Is it going to empty quicker? Let's find out. Are you ready? Off we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, only 3 seconds this time. That was much quicker. Okay, well, if the wider mouth means that my bottle empties sooner, maybe, I know, maybe I could use something with a really wide mouth. I'm going to give that a go. Right, so the narrow mouth took 5 seconds. The wider mouth took 3 seconds. I wonder how long this will take to empty. Right, let's give it a go. Okay, I'm going to try not to spill this everywhere. Off we go. 1, 2. Oh, only 2 seconds. That was much quicker. Okay. Well, now I've been giving children an opportunity just to have a play with some of these resources and ask questions for themselves, find things out, be scientists. But what we could do is, we did have a really interesting question that we had before, because we were looking at pressure as we were squeezing that bottle. Now, one of the things we tried was to see what would happen when we squeeze our bottle really hard. What does that do to the lid? Now, we were talking about things like volcanoes that erupt, because we know they are under immense pressure. We were talking about rockets that launch. So we had lots of ideas. What do you think is going to happen if I squeeze the bottle, if I apply the pressure to all of that air inside, and then I loosen the lid? Should we find out? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Whoosh! Oh, wow. Now that reminds me of something that we found earlier. One of the children found this bottle that had a cork stuck inside. So we used what we knew, what we found out, to see if we could try and release the cork. So we gave it a shake. Aha, there we go. It's lined up. I'm going to hold on tight. I'm going to squeeze to apply that pressure. What do you think is going to happen? Did was going to happen. I did. Now, maybe at home you could have a go at exploring different bottles, different containers, and just have a go play. Find out things for yourself. You could be a scientist too. Goodbye.